Welcome guys, in this video I am going to tell you the no code. Let's start with the first YouTube channel is Automate All the Things, which is deal with technology and different types of things that you can hear. And the second YouTube channel is named Benjamin Labs. And friends, all the YouTube in this I am going to tell you the 10 YouTube channel which is very best. There is no god, there is no information is very free. So let's start with the third Flex Jangelo. Very best AI to YouTube. We are no code. Chai. No code talk. This is the best and very good YouTube channel. Now Gems no code. Best and they tell the truth, what is the good, bad, the AI tool website, all the details they have given us. And the ban Parker, which is a very good, I think so. You can check it out. Now ninth is a no code MBA. There is no need to do be MBA. If you need to be a certificate that you can come in online, and there are a lot of the sources that you can MBA. They are going to be different types of forms. And some people say created a 10 minute MBA, 1 minute 1 day MBA, all these things. So now the last YouTube channel is Boulder Central, which is a very good, I think, different things that you can check it here out. I hope you learn new things, you have learned it. Thank you for watching it. Till then, take care.